Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your global entry card to your Apple Wallet in 2026. So first of all, you need to understand that as of 2026, the global entry card is not officially supported in Apple Wallet. So you won't see any add to Apple Wallet option for your card. Now this is because it's a government issued ID with strict security requirements. For travel, you usually don't need the physical global entry card. You can use your passport at kiosks or e-gates. You can enter your non-traveler number when booking the flights, and you can use the TSA pre-check, which is linked to your global entry, and this is the main way global entry is used. In some cases, like land border crossings, you may need the actual card, so you can keep your physical global card entry card with you, then you can show it when required at the border checkouts. So currently it's not feasible for you to add your global entry card to the Apple Wallet. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.